Hey, hey, what? Ray Mac, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill.
Hey YouTube family, what's up? This your boy Ray Mac. Today we're going to do is an awesome recipe for Thanksgiving. We're going to do some cornbread dressing. I'm telling you right now, you're going to love this here recipe. It's so easy, simple, and it's a plain Jane recipe. So I got me a cast iron hot skillet, and this baby is hot. All right, I got 2 sticks of butter that I want to go ahead and toss into this here hot already cast iron skillet, and I have 1 green pepper diced up, 1 whole green pepper along with 1 onion diced up. So I want to start with this here first. I want to saute these onions and peppers, and along with that I want to toss in some salt. I want you to use your own measurements, okay? Because if you use your own measurements, you will not go wrong with this recipe. Then I'm going to toss in some black pepper with this. This is going to give us a nice flavor as well. And along with these particular seasonings, I'm also going to toss in some of this here Cajun seasoning, all right? And we're going to have a good time with this here recipe. Don't you guys go nowhere. I'm telling you, you're going to love this. Then I have some poultry seasoning that I'm going to add to this as well, all right? Thanksgiving will not be the same. I'm telling you right now, it will not be the same. Then I want you to add some sage to this. Most people don't like the flavor of sage, but you've got to have this sage in order to make this particular recipe work. All right. Now I want you to go ahead and combine everything and let it saute in the cast iron skillet for at least around about 5 minutes. That's all you need. After 5 minutes, I want you to go ahead and just move this to the side. But before you do that, add some Creole seasoning. Add some Creole seasoning to this, just a little bit, all right? We're enhancing the flavor to this here cornbread dressing. After you've done that, I want you to go ahead and let it cook for about 5 minutes on top of the stove. Then I want you to set that baby to the side. Now, we're going to go ahead and take us a bowl. I've got some of this Pepperidge Farm herb seasoned cornbread, all right? This is the regular bread, crumbled bread. I want you to put that to a bowl. Then I have the Pepperidge Farm cornbread, all right? If you want to make your own cornbread for this here particular recipe, do so. But this right here, man, is just this. It's better. It's even better. Now I want you to take your peppers and onions and put it into the cornbread mix, because we're about to have some fun with this here homemade cornbread seasoning, y'all. This homemade cornbread dressing, I'm telling you, you're going to love it. So mix everything up real good and make sure you incorporate all of this goodness into the bowl. Now we're gonna take this a little step further, y'all. We're going to move on just a little bit further. So right now, y'all, I got to use this Hunt's Homestyle turkey gravy. I love this stuff, y'all. I'm telling you right now, this is going to make that dressing pop. I'm using 1 jar of this here, and I'm adding it to this cornbread mixture, and I just want to mix everything around. But before I do that, I'm using 4 cups of chicken broth. 4 cups of chicken broth. I want to add this to this baby. You understand what I'm saying? This is my first time ever doing cornbread dressing without the meat, y'all. But I'm telling you, this recipe was off the hook. Good for your Thanksgiving table. Now, since I've got that chicken broth added to it, I want to go ahead and mix this baby right on up. I want to mix this right on up. I want to mix it right on up. Why? Because it's going to be good on somebody's Thanksgiving table. Now, since I've got this mixed up, I want to do something else to give this baby a little bit more flavor. And I'm telling you, if you try this here technique, it's going to work, I guarantee. Now, take some of this here McCormick's turkey gravy that's in the pack. Put it inside that jar. I want you to put in there at least around about a half a cup of water and shake this baby. Shake it like somebody done did you wrong. Shake it like you just want to wring somebody's neck. After you've done that, pour it inside that dressing mixture, okay? Then I want you to go ahead and mix this baby right on up. We're going to go to the next step, but before we go anywhere, do me a favor. Tell me what you're preparing for Thanksgiving. What's going to be on your Thanksgiving table? Comment below. Now, I want you to taste this baby to see if it needs any seasoning. If it needs salt, add salt. If it don't need anything, don't add nothing. Just go ahead and prepare for the next step, which is adding in these 4 beaten eggs. Now, you could do this without adding the eggs, or you can add the eggs. The eggs will give this a little bit more tightness to your dressing. So take 4 eggs, beat it, add it to the dressing. It's going to be a little loose. That's fine. We good, y'all. Trust and believe me. I promise we good. So I got me a nice tin pan, and I'm using some of this here Crisco, the butter spray, to spray the tin pan. It's much more easier than me using melted butter. So I put my dressing within that pan, and I just want to level everything out. Now, when you get ready to put this into the oven, you can cover this with aluminum foil if you want a moist type of dressing. Me, I'm going to leave this uncovered, and I'm going to put it in the oven at about 400 degrees for about 40 minutes or so. And this is going to leave me a good crusty exterior, all right? And my dressing is going to be tight when it comes out. So once you've done that, this is how your dressing is going to look, y'all. I'm telling you, make you some homemade gravy, and you're going to have a ball. Once you try this here recipe, you're going to love it. And I want you to thank me if you tried it. Well, don't thank me. Let me know. Well, we got this here chicken, man, with the gravy. I mean, it's loaded with gravy, y'all. Y'all got to try this here recipe. No joke. And then we got that cornbread dressing. Lord, that cornbread dressing is going to be on point. Then we got some mashed potatoes, homemade mashed potatoes, y'all. Check it, check it, check it. And then over here, well, she got that lasagna just on roll, y'all. It's that deep lasagna right there. And then we got some of these here, cheesy cheese bread. So we're gonna smash this up, y'all. Come on, y'all. It's going down. Try this for Thanksgiving. I guarantee you, you're gonna like it. You will like it, y'all. And also try that cornbread. That cornbread dressing. You got to try it. All right, y'all. I'm finna get on up out of here. Thank you guys for checking out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. I really, really, really appreciate you. And be blessed. Be blessed. And do me a favor. Be blessed. Yes, be blessed. Please subscribe to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. If you subscribe to my channel, comment below. Let me know you subscribe. I would definitely like to reply back to you. Give this video a thumbs up. Like this video, please. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. I love you all. Peace.